Hello everyone, my name is John. Today I will tell you how to set up the integration and transfer of new contacts from Zoho Inventory to Mondaycom. This is necessary in order to automatically transfer new contacts from Zoho Inventory to other systems. For example, on Mondaycom you can add new notes and interact with them in every possible way in the future. Now let's move on to the setup. First, you need to create a new connection. Next, you need to select the Zoho Inventory data source system. Now you need to choose an action. In this case, I want to receive new contacts. At this point, you need to connect your Zoho Inventory account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window, we need to specify the login and password of the Zoho Inventory personal account. Next, you need to grant permission to ApiX-Drive to work with your Zoho Inventory account. When the connected login is displayed in the list of active accounts, select it and click Continue. No additional settings are provided for the Zoho Inventory system, so just click Continue. At this stage, you can set up a data filter. In this case, there is no need for this, so we also click Continue. Now you see the data for one of your Zoho Inventory contacts. If everything suits you, click Continue. This completes the setup of the Zoho Inventory data source successfully. Now you need to go to the data destination settings. System, choose Mondaycom. Next, you need to select an action. Create note. At this stage you need to connect your Mondaycom account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window you need to specify the API key. To get it, go to your Mondaycom personal account. Then go to Profile Settings. To the Developers section. Go to the Point Developer. My Access Tokens. In order to see the token, click Show. Copy it and paste it into the appropriate field in the ApiX-Drive system. When the required field is filled, click Continue. When the connected login is displayed in the list, select it and click Continue. At this stage, you need to select a board to which new entries will be added with each new contact from Zoho Inventory. We also select a group. Now you see the Mondaycom fields for creating a new note. You can assign variables from Zoho Inventory to these fields. In order to do this, click in the field and select a variable from the drop-down list. Note that you can use not only variables, but also write values manually. When all the required fields are filled, click Continue. At this point, you see an example of the data that will be sent to Mondaycom as new notes for each new contact from Zoho Inventory. If something does not suit you, click Edit and you will go back one step. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to Mondaycom. After successful sending, go to Mondaycom and check the result. If everything suits you, return to the ApiX-Drive system and continue setting up. This completes the setup of Mondaycom data reception. Now you need to enable auto update and select the update interval, for example once every 5 minutes. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.